Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be recreating this logo by Total Financial Services. It's a nice use of 3D space in a 2D format. Right, so I went ahead and created it beforehand, and I'm going to walk you through on how to do that. So first of all, you're going to need to download this isometric grid. This isometric grid that I provided for you in the link down below. When you get this isometric grid, it's going to be like this, right? When you open up the file, click on the grid itself, select the grid, go to properties, and change the degree to 30. Once you do that, you can go ahead and download the picture or the logo itself just to use as a reference. And then you will be creating, you can lock both of these, and then you will be creating a layer on top. And we're going to go ahead and get started now. So click on the letter P to access your pen tool. I'm going to line up the logo a little bit better. That works. So on your new layer, click on, again, letter P for the pen tool. Starting on one of the outside corners, all you're going to do is trace the outside. Follow the isometric grid. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this. Do not trace these triangles. We'll be doing those a little bit later. Again, your tracing should look similar to mine. Do not, I repeat, do not trace these triangles. Select your tracing, change the stroke to 8, align the stroke to the inside. You can go ahead and click Object, Expand Appearance. Now, using your pen tool again, we are going to trace one of these little triangles. Select the stroke. Get rid of the fill, select the stroke, make it an 8, set the stroke to the inside. Select the triangle, go to Object, Expand Appearance. Now, using your line segment tool, all we need is, and I'll show you right now, all we need is this area right here. All we need is this area right here. So what I did right there, I used my line segment tool, connected both anchors, and then just extended it. You see how my line turns pink and it says line extension? Yours should do the same. Use the shape builder tool, get rid of the outside, holding Alt, you see the minus button. Right, select the line itself, and then there we have it. We can go ahead and clean this up now. Now when you have your shape all cleaned up, we're going to go ahead and click on the letter R. This rotation should be on this top anchor point. Hold the Alt button, click on the top anchor point, set your rotation to -60 degrees, click on copy, and then hit Control D a few times. We have this set of lines that are gonna be used to complete the triangle on the outside of the logo. You gotta make sure you place these correctly. Sometimes gotta go in there manually and do a little bit of a better job, or else when you try to join this up, you're gonna have some issues later on. Select all, click on the Pathfinder Unite tool. Like for example here and here, there must be a little gap in there, as you can see here. See if we delete this anchor point and zoom in. Also over here. I'm just gonna extend it past the line. Using the shape builder tool, I'm just gonna join this, and I did something wrong right here. Okay, that was the Pathfinder Unite tool. Now let's see if we can. Nope, I'm gonna have to go in there and do it manually. Pathfinder tool join. There we go. Looks pretty good now. All we're missing is the inside hexagon and the inside lines. So turn on your guides again, Control and the semicolon. Go to your shapes. Right, if it's a rectangle, hold it, and then go down to the polygon tool. On the center anchor point, hold Alt and Shift at the same time. Hold it until you get to the outside, one of these outside points. Let go. Get rid of the fill. Set the stroke to, I believe it was 8. We were using 8. Set the stroke to inside. You can expand the appearance. And now we're missing the inside lines. From this outside anchor point, go to this anchor point, make sure your stroke is 8. Extend it a little bit further. Do the same with this one. Do the same with this one. Now the inside ones do the same. Select all by hitting Ctrl A. Go to Object, Expand, Fill and Stroke, join it using the Pathfinder Unite, and there is our logo. Side to side, we can see it looks pretty good. Now you can change the color to whatever you want. I'm gonna keep it black. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any requests to recreate any logos, let me know. Drop a comment down below. Send a message. Hope you guys learned something new. Have a good one, guys.